Let's brush your teeth.
Let's brush your teeth.
Wash your face properly.
Wash your face properly.
Let's go to school.
Let's go to school.
Let me comb your hair.
Let me comb your hair.
Time to take a shower.
Time to take a shower.
Wear your clean clothes.
Wear your clean clothes.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Don't forget your school bag.
Don't forget your school bag.
How was your day?
How was your day?
What did you learn today?
What did you learn today?
Did you eat your lunch?
Did you eat your lunch?
Keep your book in the bag.
Keep your book in the bag.
Time to rest a little.
Time to rest a little.
Change your clothes.
Change your clothes.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Let's have some snack.
Let's have some snack.
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play?
Do your homework.
Do your homework.
Don't push.
Don't push.
Play nicely.
Play nicely.
It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
Say goodbye to your friend.
Say goodbye to your friend.
Let's take a bath.
Let's take a bath.
Time to eat dinner.
Time to eat dinner.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly.
Don't spill the food.
Don't spill the food.
Drink your milk.
Drink your milk.
Let's clean the table.
Let's clean the table.
Brush your teeth before bed.
Brush your teeth before bed.
Wear your pajamas.
Wear your pajamas.
It's time to sleep.
It's time to sleep.
Good night, my dear.
Good night, my dear.
Please do it.
Please do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Try again.
Try again.
Well done.
Well done.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Stand up straight.
Stand up straight.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Speak politely.
Speak politely.
Come here.
Come here.
Go there.
Go there.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Open the window.
Open the window.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Put it down.
Put it down.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
Don't eat too much.
Don't eat too much.
Chew your food.
Chew your food.
Use your spoon.
Use your spoon.
Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Wipe your mouth.
Wipe your mouth.
Did you like the food?
Did you like the food?
Let's help clean up.
Let's help clean up.
Help others.
Help others.
Be honest.
Be honest.
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
Don't be rude.
Don't be rude.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Keep your room clean.
Keep your room clean.
Wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn.
You are so smart.
You are so smart.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
Time to go to bed.
Time to go to bed.
Let's read a bedtime story.
Let's read a bedtime story.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Give me a good night hug.
Give me a good night hug.
I love you.
I love you.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.